In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to troubleshoot and fix Shopify orders that are stuck as payment pending. It's a common issue that many Shopify users encounter, but with the right approach, you can resolve it efficiently. We'll walk through some practical steps to help you navigate the situation smoothly. First, it's essential to understand the payment method the customer used. Sometimes, the delay is simply due to the type of payment they've chosen. If they opted for a bank transfer, manual payment, or a third-party payment method, these typically require manual confirmation and can have a delay. In such cases, you might just need to give it some time for the payment to process. On the other hand, if the customer used a credit card via Shopify Payments or a similar platform, these payments should generally process quickly. However, if there's an issue, it can result in a pending status, and that's what we want to address. Now, if you've identified that the payment is genuinely stalled, a useful tactic is to send the customer an invoice or a Pay Now reminder. This gentle nudge can be instrumental in completing the payment process, as sometimes customers might get distracted or abandon the payment halfway through. We've all been there. Receiving a timely reminder might be all it takes to resolve the issue. In situations where you've already received payment through a means outside of Shopify, you have the option to manually mark the order as paid. Access your Shopify admin dashboard, go to Orders, select the particular order, then click on Collect Payment. From there, choose Mark as Paid. Make sure you have proof of the payment, maybe a bank statement or a receipt, to keep your records straight and maintain transparency. It's also wise to check in with your payment provider. They can offer insights into any potential issues on their side, such as fraud reviews or bank holds, which might be delaying the payment. They can also inform you if the payment is still capturable if it's overdue, which is valuable information for moving forward. In instances where the pending time has exceeded your expectations and you're not optimistic about the payment coming through, it might be prudent to expire or cancel the order. Doing so will free up inventory, allowing other potential customers the chance to purchase. Be mindful that some providers or orders naturally expire after a certain period, so it's beneficial to keep track of those timelines. Lastly, take a moment to review your payment settings within Shopify. Confirm that your payment provider is properly set up and all credentials are valid. Check for any conflicting settings, like whether you have manual versus automatic capture enabled, which might inadvertently cause delays. Through these steps, you'll enhance the efficiency of your payment process and minimize future hiccups.